Good day and happy Saturday to you. It's Dave Swenson, Suncoast Global Realty, and I'm out here in Deerfield. This is a nice community out east of I-75 between Fruitful Road and Bee Ridge. And I'm out here on a rainy, crazy kind of day here in Sarasota. We actually have a tropical storm called Little Debbie. She's not Little Debbie, but she's coming our way, and so you'll see some clouds in the background. But I'm out here again. Our house has been reduced and it is ready to go. We want somebody to come in and get this beautiful home for themselves here. And interest rates, just so you know, on Friday, apparently the jobs report came out and the rates might be down to like 6.5. It's like the best news that we've had in a long time. So who knows? Maybe the market's more affordable, but certainly we'd love you to come out and check out this beautiful house here in Sarasota. The Community of Deerfield has tile roofs throughout. They got sidewalks, they got a little community park. The maintenance fee that you pay includes the landscaping, the irrigation, everything else. But anyway, so I'm going to show you what's going on here. And so what you see over here, this is the park. This is the community park here for Deerfield. And as you can see here, there's the sign that says Deerfield, no trespassing. And of course, down here, what you have a little day dock. Down here, you got a flag, you got a little gazebo. It's just a small little park. But anyway, so this is the entryway from Deerfield. And you look over here, this is the entrance. Right across the street is the paddocks. And this is my listing here on Deerfield. This is 6600 Deering Circle. And this property is now listed for $517,777. It's been reduced from the original price, $60,000. It is being sold furnished. So we're good to go. Once again, it is Dave Swenson. There you go. You can see my information right there. I'm going to give you a tour of this beautiful house. What you notice here, starting off, is you got streetlights, you got sidewalks. Now our house, now you see some houses just have a normal concrete driveway. Our house has a beautiful paver driveway. Okay, and you can see the outside. This roof is done in 2022, so it's a pretty much almost a new roof. It costs $34,000. On the front of the house, there are hurricane windows that she put into this property just to kind of insulate it from the sound, and also just because it was a good idea. So there you are, 6600 Deering Circle. We got the flag flying for you, the American flag, because we're patriots here. And then this is the little den, third bedroom. Anyway, this is the entryway. You can see there's a nice little covered area here. We actually have a little bench out front. And this is your view looking out into this beautiful Little Debbie tropical storm day. And let's go on into the house and take a look and go look around. Here we go. So, as we come in, this is the living area. And as you see the living area, you got high ceilings throughout here. And it goes out to the patio. And the patio, and we're basically in the community, we're basically on the entryway. So that actually, there's a wall outside there that gives you complete privacy, so you don't have anybody behind you. And so you can see here, you got the open area there. And then up above, you can see they got some architectural openings that they have into the kitchen area. And ultimately, then this is the this is the dining area. Actually, not formal dining area. It's a dining area. Okay, so it is what it is. Okay, and then this is the entryway. You can see they put tile down in here so that when you come in from the outside, it's all taken care of. I'm going to go ahead and do this side of the house first. This is your den / third bedroom, right? So you can see here, they got the crown molding throughout the whole place. You've got what do you call it, the Bahama shutters, which are really nice, or I'm sorry, plantation shutters, I think they're called. And you can see it's all set up for your entertainment and everything else. And as you come over here, this is the hallway to the other bedroom. And then between here, you do have your bath. So you see in the bath, you got the glass enclosure here. You got the beautiful tile with the accents. You got a quarter thing. And you can see this has all been updated. Newer toilet, newer sink, pedestal sink. And once again, it's really tastefully done. Coming through here, and then you look at, this is the third bedroom, or the second bedroom, however you want to number the place. There used to be a TV up here, but anyway, you can see the crown molding once again in here. Ceiling fans throughout. All the artwork stays. Of course, you get a beautiful, looks like a moon. Anyway, you got the 6-panel doors in the house, and you got some commemorative art here. You got the Twin Towers in New York City. Who knows, it might be worth a lot of money. And Pier 17, I'm not sure where Pier 17 is. But anyway, so let's go back into the main part of the house. Once again, you have the entryway here with the tile. And then you come through, this is the living area. as you can see, and you got like lighting up above, you got a ceiling fan. And then in the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and show you the kitchen here. So let me get the lights on. Okay, so in the kitchen, you've got these are 42-inch cabinets. They're solid wood. And you got the stainless appliances throughout. You got beautiful, I don't know if these are onyx or what they are, but they're just gorgeous tops. You got the stainless out there. You got a nice little dining nook. You got a Tiffany glass. I don't know if it's really Tiffany, but it could be Tiffany. You never know, right? So anyway, but 42-inch cabinets on the top. And these have the really slow close doors so that you can see. And this is coming fully furnished. Watch this. Look at that. I'm going to show you something else. This is really kind of neat. Actually, in the drawer, it has a second drawer. I've never seen something like that. It's pretty neat. But anyway, so that's all included here. You got the tile backsplash, everything else here. And once again, you look out onto the patio area here. I'm not going to go out on the patio, but you can see they got a place for a television in the back. They got the ceiling fans. And the original design of the house is stopped. Where you see that, that little beam up on the top, that's where the lanai used to be. Well, they extended this so that it goes all the way out, and you can see it's beautifully tiled. They actually have a little gas fire pit table here, which is really nice, and a little corner there. Anyway, so let's go back through the kitchen area, and we're going to go into the hallway. Now, in the hallway, you've got, this is an inside utility room. They've converted it to an office. You can see they still have the connections for the washer and dryer are all here, but they set it up as an office. And they put some shelving in there. They have extra leaves for the dining room table. Once again, it is being sold furnished. This is the garage. The garage, they have tile throughout here. You can see, so it's all tiled. And they didn't want the washer and dryer in the house. They'd rather have it out here. So they tiled this whole area that you can see here, put in some cabinets, and then all across here you got extra freezer, and you got shelving all through there, bench tops. Going through on the other side, you got, the guy was kind of a woodworker, handyman guy. So you can see he's got all this pegboard and everything else. And you got the worktops all through here. And there's even another fridge, right? So you got another fridge there as well. Coming back into the house, you come down to the hallway. This is the master suite. And you come in, you got a walk-in closet in here. You could easily organize this. You know, some people would put in like the California closets or whatever. But it's a good sized closet, and you can see these are real wood floors throughout here. And then this is the master bedroom, or main bedroom, as they say. There's a shelf in the corner for a television. You got the crown molding all throughout, and then this one has a tray ceiling. You can see the tray ceiling there as it comes around. It's really nice, and you got the nice window up above the bed and coming through. And then let's go into the bathroom. This is the master bathroom. This was all redone completely in 2009, and it really shows well. You got this beautiful tile on the walls there. It's a little dark. Hold on. There we go. Let there be light, they say, right? Let there be light. So you see the beautiful tile, and they got the corner shelving in there. You got grab bars, everything else. And then you got double sinks with the beautiful tops here, and cabinets, all the lighting. This is the toilet area here, so you got some windows or else, and you got lighting coming in from the porch, so you get some natural light in here, and then a little above this toilet. Okay, so there it is. There's the house. This is 6600 Deering Circle. This is once again being sold fully furnished. Price currently at $517,777. It's been reduced $60,000 from the time it was listed, and the seller says they want it to be sold. So certainly, I would concur with that opinion. And once again, being sold furnished in the beautiful community of Deerfield. This is between Fruitville Road and Bee Ridge Road, and there you have it. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching.